Welcome to the web portal for the Storage Management Initiative Lab program, or SMI Lab. The Storage Management Initiative started the SMI Lab to help SNIA member companies accelerate the development and implementation of client and provider products based on the Storage Management Initiative specification, commonly known as SMIS.
The SMI Lab is an opportunity for the vendors that are involved in developing the specification to test their products with each other and also to test their products with conformance to the conformance test program.
Why join SMI Lab?
Three primary reasons for why you want to join the SMI Lab program are: you get early access to the conformance testing program tests, so you can work out the kinks with your provider and those, and also work out on spec issues. If you're a provider developer, which I am, you have clients getting access to your provider before you ship it, so you find bugs before it's released. And if you're a client who's working on providers, you get access to a wide range set of providers, and you can work out issues in your client-side software code before you ship it, so the customer overall has a better experience.
SMI Lab member companies send teams to week-long plug fests at the SNIA Technology Center in Colorado Springs, Colorado. This rich hardware and software environment allows attendees to ensure that their products operate reliably when deployed to customers as multi-vendor solutions.
You know, all the clients who want to join SNIA and SMI Lab, they have access to it here, so it's sort of a centralized point where we have a set of hardware shipped here. Saves money, saves time, they have access to it.
Since April 2004, SMI Lab has enabled numerous companies to pass SMIS conformance testing to validate hundreds of products.
We're all working together on the specification. We work hard, we play hard together. We work together to work on the common goal of advancing the software specification and making sure that clients and providers work together as seamlessly as possible.
SMI Lab is a vital component of the Storage Management Initiative. This website is your portal to success for engaging and leveraging the SMI Lab resource.